Hey guys, and welcome back. If you haven't taken a look at part one of this painting video, please go and do so. We are just doing the paint samples for the car. We're not doing any physical painting on the car. Turns out you are supposed to sand between primer and the physical finished paint coat, so that is what I'm doing here. So while the air compressor is charging up with air, I started mixing paint here. Make sure you please follow the data sheets that come with the paint. It is very crucial and important to follow that data right down to a T. So then this way basically you do it right. There's certain temperatures you can spray the paint in and you have to stay within it, the parameters, and you also have to stay within the parameters of humidity too. That's something else you have to take in consideration. So I'm only going to show this once, but basically the process is all the same for all the paints here that I've sprayed, and then I'm just going to jump in and show each color being sprayed really quickly, or it might be just the back side of it or whatever footage I can get. I didn't get great footage at all while spraying. I was more focused on painting physically.
So for context here, this is the color chart for 1956 Hudson Hornet / Nash, and this is the page you would have gotten. This is our color here for the light blue, and this is our color here for the dark blue. I'll just lay these out really closely. You guys can tell me which one you feel is the best blue. That's via the color combination. And the easiest way to put it is, I'll just flip these over and they have a listing here of A, B, or D. So, and same goes for the dark blue color code here. So I will line these up here like so. And this is option C, the bottom one, and the top one is option E. So tell me what you think for that one there. And these are the paints chips against the car: A, B, or D. Let me know what you guys think. This one's A. This one's B. This one's D. So this one is C. This one is E. This should be the original color here underneath this paint that I feel that is kind of chipped away over the years. So anyhow, put your comments down below of what you think, which paint looks best, and we'll take it under consideration. But for now, thanks for sticking around, and let's help me get this thing back on the road.